Most people manage their money the same way they always have. A rough mental budget they rarely stick to, a vague sense of what's in their account, occasional guilt about spending, and a savings target they set every January and rarely hit. And if that sounds familiar, you are not bad with money. You are just managing it without the right tools. In 2026, AI has made genuinely good financial management accessible to anyone with a laptop and an internet connection. No finance degree, no expensive advisor, no complicated spreadsheets. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 ways to use AI to manage your money better, starting today. Each one is practical, specific, and free or very low cost to set up. One important note before we start: nothing in this video is professional financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and this channel is for educational purposes only. For decisions involving significant sums, always speak to a qualified professional. With that said, let's get into it. The first and most immediately impactful use of AI for your finances is budget tracking and analysis. Specifically, using AI to show you where your money is actually going, rather than where you think it is going. Most people significantly underestimate what they spend in certain categories. Research consistently shows that discretionary spending, subscriptions, food delivery, impulse purchases is routinely underestimated by 20 to 40% when people recall it from memory. The gap between what you think you spend and what you actually spend is where most financial progress gets lost. The practical approach is to download your bank statements for the last 3 months as a CSV or PDF and paste, or upload them to Claude or ChatGPT. Then ask it to categorize your spending, identify your top 5 expenditure categories, and highlight any patterns or surprises. Within a few minutes, you will have a clearer picture of your actual spending than most people get from months of manual budgeting. Repeat this monthly. Over 3 to 6 months, the pattern becomes invaluable. You can see exactly which categories are drifting upward, which subscriptions you have forgotten about, and where small changes would have the biggest impact on your financial position. The second use is AI-assisted savings planning. And this is where most people find the most immediate value, because building a savings plan that actually works for your specific income and expenses is genuinely difficult to do well without help. The mistake most savings plans make is that they are built on aspirational numbers rather than realistic ones. A plan that says, save £300 a month when you have never managed to save more than 50 is not a plan. It is wishful thinking. And because it is unrealistic, it fails quickly, which reinforces the belief that you are simply bad at saving rather than that the plan was wrong. AI builds better plans because it starts from your actual numbers rather than a generic template. Here is exactly what to do. Open Claude and give it this information: your monthly take-home income, your fixed monthly outgoings, your current savings balance, and 1 to 3 specific financial goals with rough timelines. Then ask it to build a realistic savings plan. Identify the 3 highest impact changes you could make to reach your goals faster, and flag any inconsistencies in your current approach. The output will almost always surface something useful that a generic online calculator would not catch. A more efficient ordering of your goals, a specific expense that is disproportionately affecting your savings rate, or a timeline adjustment that makes a goal genuinely achievable rather than aspirational. The third use is debt strategy, and this is an area where AI provides a particularly clear, practical advantage, because the mathematics of debt repayment is genuinely counterintuitive, and most people are handling it in a way that costs them more interest than necessary. There are 2 well-established approaches to paying down multiple debts. The avalanche method pays off the highest interest rate debt first, which minimizes the total interest paid over time. The snowball method pays off the smallest balance first, which provides earlier psychological wins and can improve the consistency of repayments. The right approach depends on your specific debt profile and your personal psychology, and most people have never had anyone help them work out which one is right for their situation. AI makes this analysis straightforward. List all of your debts to Claude, each one with its current balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment, and ask it to compare the avalanche and snowball approaches for your specific situation. Calculate the total interest cost of each, estimate the payoff timeline for each, and recommend an approach given your circumstances. You will get a clear, specific comparison in under a minute. Then ask it to build you a month-by-month repayment schedule based on the recommended approach, including what happens to your freed-up payments once each debt is cleared. This level of clarity is what most people pay a financial advisor for, and you can access it right now at no cost. The fourth use is understanding investment options. Not making specific investment decisions, but using AI to genuinely understand the landscape so that you can make more informed decisions yourself or have a more productive conversation with a qualified advisor. Investment jargon is one of the most effective barriers keeping ordinary people out of financial markets. Terms like index funds, ISAs, ETFs, compound interest, and asset allocation are not complicated concepts. They are just presented in language that assumes prior knowledge most people do not have. AI is exceptionally good at translating this language into plain English. The most useful way to use AI here is to ask it to explain specific concepts in the context of your situation. Not just what is an ISA, but given that I am a UK resident earning approximately this amount with this risk tolerance and this timeline, what should I understand about the difference between a stocks and shares ISA and a cash ISA? This kind of contextualized explanation is far more useful than a generic definition, and you can follow up with as many clarifying questions as you need until you genuinely understand. Again, AI should not be making your investment decisions, but it can make you significantly more informed and more confident in the conversations you have with people who do. The fifth use is income optimization, using AI to help you identify opportunities to earn more that you may not have considered, and to evaluate those opportunities honestly against your specific circumstances. Most personal finance content focuses almost entirely on reducing spending, but there is a ceiling on how much you can cut, and no ceiling on how much you can earn. AI is useful here in two specific ways. First, it can analyze your existing skills, experience, and available time and suggest realistic additional income streams. Freelancing, digital products, tutoring, consulting, ranked by likely return for your specific profile. Second, it can help you evaluate a specific income opportunity you are considering, stress testing the assumptions and identifying risks you may not have thought of. For example, if you are considering starting a YouTube channel as an additional income stream, you could describe your available time, your existing skills, and your financial targets to Claude and ask it to give you an honest assessment of the timeline, the realistic income range at different stages, and the key decisions you would need to make. This is not a guarantee of accuracy, but it is a significantly more structured starting point than most people have when they begin evaluating a new income opportunity. So those are 5 practical ways to use AI to manage your money better right now. Budget analysis to see where your money is actually going. AI-built savings plans based on your real numbers. Debt strategy that optimizes your repayments. Plain English investment education. And income optimization to help you earn more alongside cutting less. The AI Proof. Your career guide is linked in the description. It has the complete framework for using AI to build your career and income. including the 5 income diversification strategies and the 30-day action plan. 14 pages and an instant download. Subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and drop a comment below. Which of these 5 are you going to use first? I read every single one.